How to edit TikTok caption after posting. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. Then open up TikTok on a device. Now simply tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply find the post you want to edit the caption for. Then tap on the post. Now tap on three dots. Now at the bottom menu, simply scroll to the right. Now here you can find an option for edit post. Now simply tap on edit post. Now tap on the caption. Now edit the caption and click on done. Now tap on save and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.